mosquito net. There's no way.
Oh my god. This is the up.
Wow.
I feel like I'm being rocked like a baby.
Are we touching the floor right now? I know.
No, I don't feel
no,
it.
we're just almost.
We're gonna break this, are we?
I think we'll be fine.
1, 2.
Oh, shit. Oh my god.
Oh no. I know what it was here. This is our home.
This is our home.
Our little village.
Don't be rude.
Hi, Paulina.
Whose sock, Hannah? Whose sock is this? Is this your sock?
It's definitely one of the auntie socks. Oh, we can find it.
Okay, you know what? It's hitting.
Cheers.
Hitting is
This is the B movie part 2. He's gonna leave you.
He's gonna leave me for a bee.
You don't understand!
He's gonna be a widow though.
B with
He's gonna be a
emotions.
widow.
No, look at him. Yeah, he's
Oh,
definitely in
whoa,
pain.
Throw
whoa.
it back.
Yeah, he's in pain.
And then Panda Justin being a widow. Me being heartbroken.
For his last moments.
Is it gonna hold it?
Yeah. Look. Look at his tongue. Look at his tongue. He's getting the nectar.
Oh my god, I've never seen a bee tongue before. It's like long and purple.
when they die.
Purple, wait.
When they die, they like stick it out too.
It's like kind of reddish.
He's moving too much, I can't see. Oh, I see it now. Whoa.
I've never seen a bee tongue.
He's so
Yeah.
fuzzy.
They do that when they die, but I think he's also like pollinating too.
Oh, that's nice. We're giving him
See?
a little treat.
And even in his last moments, he's still working.
I know he's still working.
Live your life, guys. Don't live to work.
Look at him go.
I'm getting the skull.
Oh no. Yeah, Hannah likes so much basil. Like this much basil times
Can't
5.
get enough basil. I love it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat all of this as my side dish.
Oh my god!
Save it for later.
The second course.
What they call you?
Mama, Papa.
Your friend's not something I'm on board with though. That's an Asian child.
No, it's 50%, yo.
Asian.
It's Asian, but they just got the Asian.
Yeah.
Red Asian.
All this green tea shot.
Why do we have so many extras?
I don't know. We could drink them though. This feels so chaotic right now. AJ's trying again.
No, I'm actually locked in now.
This is mine. It's kind of giving broccoli fade. I'm on it. Annabelle's making a new one. And it's gonna be perfect. Art, a master at work.
I believe in myself.
Beautiful.
Sorry, do you want my bendy sticker now?
Yes, it's part of the story. She's waving that thing.
Twinkle, little
Whenever the music turns off in my car, she does
so good at. Yeah.
Yeah, that was amazing. Thank you for sharing.
At first I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side.
like Miranda
Why are you guys just letting me keep going?
It's beautiful. We're appreciating your talent. What do you mean?
Taste test.
Wait,
Wait, I thought you were recording.
Why is he glowing?
I don't know. I
a blast right now.
The spotlight on his face. I saw every single crowd.
Surround sound.
You put us in his house.
4D, 8D surround sound. Should have brought my mics.
Tomahawk. Oh wow, that's a good one.
What game is this, Bacteria?
This is Justin's right here. Right there. AJ's turn.
It's from this plane right here.
Sorry, AJ, you lost this one.
Oh, fuck no, that's not a good one. It was close though.
Very close.
Really close.
What a game, what a match. What a match.
Turkeys. I'm blind. Where'd it go?
I think she's faking it
Pump fake, pump fake.
Oh.
I still.
I think Jesse got that one.
I genuinely did not see that one at all.
I don't know where it went.
Exactly the same spot.
Same spot?
Yeah.
Wait, what's your tongue position?
What's your tongue position?
Where'd it go? Oh.
Oh.
Right. Actually, I can't even see it on the
It's
camera.
really good. That one almost reached the pen.
Oh shit. Dude, one of mine went hella far. Damn.
That's wild.
Hey, what a game, what a game, what a match.
Hot dogs. Glove check. We're about to make bacon wrapped hot dogs.
Yum.
And I'm gonna cut onions and try not to cry.
Yeah, when you
Can I borrow your sunglasses?
Oh, yeah, you
actually?
can. When you,
Thank you.
when you volunteered to cut the onions, I was like, that's bold.
She's at work. Look at her go. Ogres have layers. What else has layers?
Happening.
So
We're making dirty dogs.
Hello. A movie that came out recently that I really liked is The Fact. Dirty Dogs.
Dirty dogs. You watched Avatar last year, but
Bacon?
I want to eat it, but it's undercooked.
Oh no.
So wait,
Put it back in,
I'm
put it
debating
back
just
in.
eating it because I used to. My nanny in China used to cook it like this. This is
Yeah.
undercook it, and it's really good.
had a poison.
She would always cook it like this. It was
Yes,
so
bacon
good. What do you mean they had bacon in China? That's what people used to be like. Oh, did you ride a horse to school in Montana?
What, Justin?
China has crazy diabetes. Like,
All right.
That's all him.
Like, not all parts are super
if
regulated.
that's what you're expecting when we go to China,
This man's gonna
you might
get
be
sick.
disappointed.
Caramelizing bacon stance. Beautiful.
Oh, I missed it.
Put your elbows like inside your knees, like this. Inside your knees. Slowly go forward. Yes! He's doing crow pose. You.
Oh, you put the Oreo in the graham cracker?
no, I separated the oil with the marshmallow.
Look at this.
I think it's a raccoon.
No.
Yo, they fucked that shit. I'm
Look at the little paw print, so cute.
Whoa. Yeah.
That's kind of crazy. I know. Went to town.